In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. To get started, open Janitor AI and choose any chat that supports proxy use. This first part is important because not every chat will have proxy enabled. Before you go any further, make sure the chat you selected actually allows proxy. If it does, you're good to continue. Taking a moment to verify this now can save you confusion later if the option doesn't appear in settings. Once you've confirmed that proxy is allowed, click on Start a new chat. This gives you a fresh chat session where you can apply the proxy configuration cleanly. After the new chat opens, look for the three-line menu, sometimes shown as a More Options icon, and click it to open the additional controls. From that menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, find the Provider option. Click on the Provider dropdown, and from the available choices, select Proxy. This tells Janitor AI that instead of using another default provider, you want this chat to run through a proxy configuration. After selecting Proxy, click on the Proxy section. Then choose Plus New to create a new proxy entry. You'll now be asked to fill in the required details. First, type in the name of the API. This is usually just a label so you can recognize the connection later, so pick something clear and easy to remember. Next, enter the API key. You'll need to create this key yourself using the API creation tool or service you plan to use. Since API keys are sensitive, never share them publicly, and be careful when typing or pasting them in. A small typo here can stop the connection from working properly. After that, select the model you want to use. In this example, the selected model is GPT-04. Make sure the model you choose matches what your API setup supports, because the wrong model selection can also cause issues when you try to chat. Once everything is filled out, click Add. This adds the proxy configuration to your chat settings. Then click Save to apply the changes. Saving is the final step that confirms your setup, so don't skip it. And that's it. Your proxy should now be functional in Janitor AI. If something doesn't work right away, go back and double check the chat supports proxy, make sure the provider is set to proxy, and confirm that your API name, key, and model were entered correctly. With that done, you're ready to use your